Hi, my name is Jay from the Bike Atrium. Today I'm going to show you how to fold the EF20D folding bike by Etiva. So the first step is to ensure your handlebar is facing downwards. What you can do is to open the quick release on your handlebar, turn it downwards, and tighten your quick release. And the next step is to fold your stem. So we have a quick release over here. Remove the quick release from the lever, and you pull down the lever from here, bend it downwards, and lean it against your fork. The next step is to ensure that you retract your kickstand. And then you open the quick release over here, apply it over to the other side. Within the pivot, there's a spring in it. Ensure that you lift the spring, and you can easily fold your folding bike this way. So when the bike is folded this way, you can rest it on the support stand. To make it even more compact, we can lower down the seat pole. And this is how you fold your EF20D folding bike by Etiva.